Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee X80 and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So let's start off by holding the power key, and when you see the boot mode right here, what you want to do is hold power off. This will bring up the window reboot to safe mode. You want to reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So basically what it means is any kind of app that you have installed will be disabled by default and it will not work, and that is so you can test if some kind of malicious app was messing around with your system and causing you some kind of problems, for instance, or if your device just kind of broke and something is malfunctioning with the device itself apart from, well, maybe some app. So let's confirm this by tapping on OK, and this will initiate the reboot. And once the device is back on, we should see a watermark with the safe mode written on it in the bottom left corner of the screen. So let's simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now in safe mode. So let's put in the pin for the SIM card. And there is the watermark right here. So that is how we would put into safe mode, and once you want to leave it, simply hold the power key and select restart, and when the device is back on, it will be then back in a normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android in a normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.